Hi, I'm Jody Rowell with Travel Easy Decks, and today I'm here to show you a little bit about our product, the Travel Easy Deck. The first thing we've got on it is the foot that connects all the pieces together. It is adjustable. You can get about 1.5 to 2 inches of adjustment out of it by screwing the leg in and out, and that way you can set up on uneven ground, adjust it to where that it stays level. Now we've got a deck set up here. It's got 4 of the feet on it, and to add additional pieces to it, we're just going to scoot it back here a little bit so we can have some room. We'll bring 2 of the feet out to where they rest on the outer sections of the pedestals, and then we'll grab another deck. Now all we need to do is just set this deck up here, get 2 additional feet, install them in the little spots there, and now from this position you can continue out and make a sidewalk as long as you'd like to have it. And now we want to make a patio out of it. Instead of just having a sidewalk, we can take these 2 pieces here, scoot them out to reveal the extra pedestals here, and then take the next piece and install it on the end here. And then we'll take the 2 additional legs, put those under the corners, and now you have the base set up to make your patio. You can go as wide or as long as you would like from this, and if you need to go in and adjust them once you have it all set up, because over time things are going to settle. This is a 1/2 inch extension. It will fit into the holes in the center of the foot, and then you can just adjust them up or down with the extension. Now obviously you can do this by hand also. It's just whatever preference you prefer. So hopefully this will answer some questions for you on the Travel Easy Decks. If you have any other questions, you can visit our website at www.traveleasydecks.com, and just shoot us a message. We'll get back to you as quickly as we can. Thank you.